So here we go again, Mr. Nuki. So what can you say about Mr. Kapulong?
Nonetheless, it's always the same.
He requested that he
Leo and I found some medicine that can help you. We will send them to you
buy
by a month.
a package.
We will try them first so that if they're effective.
Do you think Mr. Kapulong has a big, you know that?
Maybe in his dreams, he has this very big, you know.
It's only imagination.
Yes. We are the amateur directors from Pampanga and he is from Taguig and we're always pleasing our friends by our videos.
Yes. And this is tribute for Mr. Kapulong Marvin. So what can you
Marvin,
say
if
about
you are listening, don't ever show your muscles on the
webcam?
because
It is
stop.
fake,
You look like a
gay,
small
but terrible.
gay.
What can you say about Jay Dagdag?
Nonetheless, he's from Singapore. He says you don't have money. And if I have money, I will have a drink with him.
What can you say about Mr. Meneses?
Mr. Meneses.
Yes, our friend.
No comment, no comment.
Why? That is your cousin.
Yes, this is my cousin. And
Your favorite cousin.
I don't know what's happening to him now. So, I don't know what to say.
So do you think that your cousin is love you?
Maybe, because,
Cause you're a Christian,
no,
my friend.
no. It is told that love your enemy.
Do you think Mr. Torres Kino is happy now?
Maybe he's making another scandal now. We'll wait for the
Part 2.
Part 2 for the scandal to come and we will rate it from 1 to 10. Maybe, I think we will rate it as 11.
How about Mr. Del Rio, Richard?
When Leo's brother grow up, he's going to build up a parlor and maybe
I
he'll invite
see.
you.
Oh, I
He'll invite
see.
you to join
His clan?
No. His mafia of gay parlor owners.
So that's for it. That's it.
Wait. If
How-
you're listening, Mok, stay out there and we'll be here.
Stop.